Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive deep into the latest and greatest products on the market.
Today, we're taking a close look at what many are calling the best Wizards Turbo Cut compound available.
If you're a car enthusiast or just someone who takes pride in keeping their vehicle looking its best, you'll want to stick around for this one. Introducing Wizards Turbo Cut Compound, the ultimate solution for removing scratches, renewing, and restoring your car's paint to a showroom shine. Whether you're dealing with minor imperfections or heavy swirls, this water-based car scratch remover is here to save the day.
Let's talk about what sets Wizards Turbo Cut compound apart from the rest.
With its time-release abrasive, this compound starts aggressively, tackling scratches ranging from 1200 to 1500 grit, and gradually smooths them out to a 4000 grit finish. That means you can say goodbye to those pesky scratches without worrying about excess dust or slinging.
Now, let's talk application. Using Wizards Turbo Cut compound is a breeze.
Simply start with a clean surface, apply a generous amount to the affected area, and then buff it in using a rotary buffer. Take it from me, the results speak for themselves. Just take a look at these before and after shots. With just a few simple steps, Wizards Turbo Cut compound has breathed new life into this faded paint, leaving behind a high-gloss finish that's sure to turn heads.
But here's the best part. Wizards Turbo Cut compound isn't just for cars.
Thanks to its Pro-Earth formulation, it's safe to use on gel coat, fiberglass, and even boats. That's right, you can achieve professional-grade results on all your vehicles with just one product.
So, if you're ready to say goodbye to scratches and hello to a showroom shine, it's time to get your hands on Wizards Turbo Cut compound. Trust me, your car will thank you later. That's all for today's product critique.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on the products you love.
Until next time, happy detailing.